morning, everyone. We're here with another update for you this Wednesday morning.
As usual, we're going to start today with some of our new materials at the library.
This week in new materials, Bedtime for Bad Kitty by Nick Bruhl. The latest in the Bad Kitty children's picture book series has Bad Kitty burning out her energy and settling down for a perfect bedtime story. But can she stay awake until the ending, or is she just too sleepy? The Final Twist by Jeffrey Deaver. The third book in the Coulter Shaw mystery series takes place just hours after the events of The Goodbye Man. This time, Shaw is hot on the trail of a missing person, his own father, who has left a number of enigmatic clues for him to follow. The Summer of Lost and Found by Mary Alice Monroe. The Beach House series returns with one of the most anticipated books of the season. The novel follows the Rutledge family as they persevere through a summer of change and upheaval. Linnea has been laid off and finds that love in the time of COVID-19 proves challenging. While Justice Sleeps, Stacey Abrams. This novel is a legal thriller by the Georgian politician set within the halls of the U.S. Supreme Court. It follows a young law clerk desperately trying to hold her own life together when she is notified that she has been named the legal guardian of a swing vote judge who has fallen into a coma. She must navigate the complex political wranglings of a Washington intent on swaying the future of the Supreme Court.
Don't forget, we are still offering curbside service if you can't come inside or don't feel comfortable doing so. You can call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve your items and schedule a pickup appointment, or you can place holds at our online catalog for the items you'd like to borrow and wait for us to contact you when they are available.
Please give us at least 24 hours notice to prepare in-stock items for pickup. If you are reserving items online, it may be a little longer than that if they're not currently available, but we will contact you as soon as they come back to us and are ready for pickup.
You can also visit either of our library branches, Harbin Memorial or Central City, in person during regular business hours to browse. We are open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The Thistle Cottage Museum and History Annex does remain closed to the public at this time, but you can contact us by phone or email using the contact form on our website if you have a research request.
Our Design Your Own Bookmark contest is currently underway, so don't forget to ask for an entry form when you come see us. Winning designs will be printed and distributed to our patrons, and the creator will win a prize.
All ages can participate in the bookmark contest, and we'll have winners for each of several different age groups.
Entry forms are available in person from the front desk at either library branch, or we can bring one out to you at curbside pickup if you prefer. Just let us know if you'd like a form.
All entries must be returned to the library by May 24th for judging.
We have a new program to announce this morning as well. We now have new free STEAM kits for younger patrons that we'll be giving away next week.
These kits, which are provided to us by the Kentucky Science Center in partnership with the Kentucky Department of Libraries and Archives, courtesy of a grant program, are designed for students in 2nd through 6th grade and will implement the concepts of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics.
The kit we are giving away next week is the Material Masters Kit, which focuses on textiles. This is the first of several we'll be giving away throughout the summer. Other kit themes will include inventing and engineering, secret agents and spies, and artistic chaos.
Registration is open for the Material Masters Kit as of this morning, and the kits will be available for pickup next week. We do have limited quantities of the kits, so please, if you are interested, check our social media pages for more info, including the registration link, and sign up today.
Please limit your registration to one kit per family for now so we can reach as many households as possible. If we have extra kits available after the kits are picked up next week, we'll reopen the registration at that time.
We'll give away the other themed kits later this summer, so make sure you continue to follow us on social media if you're interested in those kits, so you can sign up as they become available.
And finally, before we end this morning's video, we want to mention our new StoryWalks again.
If you haven't been by to see them yet, we now have StoryWalks available at several different locations throughout the county. We have StoryWalks at both ends of the Rails to Trails walking path, the Ray Jones Athletic Complex in Greenville, Blue Ray Park in Central City, and we are finishing up the final one at the Bremen Walking Trail this week.
Our StoryWalks feature a family-friendly story that has been separated into short sections and installed on signs along the walking trails we mentioned. As you walk, you can read along with the story.
Each of the StoryWalks in the county has a different story, and we'll be rotating those out every couple of months so they stay fresh and interesting.
We encourage everyone to check them out, and don't forget to take the survey and let us know what you thought. The StoryWalk survey is available digitally by scanning the QR code at the end of each story, or you can pick up a paper copy of the survey at the front desk of either library branch.
StoryWalk is a registered service mark owned by the original project creator, Miss Ann Ferguson of Montpelier, Vermont, and our project was funded by grants from Owensboro Health and the Felix E. Martin Jr. Foundation.
And that's just about all we have for this morning's update. We're continuing to get ready for summer reading. It's just around the corner after all, but we'll have more details about that next week.
Thank you for joining us again this morning for another What's New Wednesday video, and have a great week, everybody.